Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 29 of marching through my minis. I can't believe it's the end of the March. I can't believe it's that either. I can't believe it's the end of the month. March is almost over. Day 29, you guys. In a couple days, we'll be able to see where all my money's going, how many challenges I completed. It's so exciting. So I'm using all the inserts from Brittany over at Budgeting with the Ginger. I bring $8 every day, and I'm going to mix these up a little bit. And they're between 25 and 50 cents. And I have my $8 we're going to put into the bank. And I think I did decide I'm going to do 6 envelopes and bring $10. Oops, I did that backwards. That's all right. We'll figure it out. For April. Yeah, we're going to try that. And I'm cutting. I have to finish cutting a little bit more, and then once this binder is done, I will do the old swapperoo and get it all ready for April. I can't believe I'm going to do daily videos in April again. Woof. All right, so we're going to start at number 1. I have my prop coins, and I have my D3 die. So I'm going to roll it, and whatever it says is how many coins it gets. So 1 got 2 coins, or 2 prop coins. 2 got 1. I was so used to rooting for 3 got 3, but the big one, we finished the big one, guys. We did it. So 4 is getting 1. So now I think I'm just like, yeah, all's good. Whatever we finish, we finish. 1, 2, 3 for number 6. So how are you doing? How's it going? Are you doing the minis every day? 1 and 2. Oh, and then we go back to 1. 3 for number 1. Nice. Oh, 2 got 1 again. I don't know if you can see that. All right. 3 for 3. That's twice now. 1 for number 4. 4, 4. 1 for number 5. 2 for 6, and that means 7 is going to get the 1, and we will start on 8. Tomorrow. Let's get that out of the way. Okay, so 1. Ooh, 1 got $1.75. Oh, we're starting this one. This is from Maribel at Mint Dough. So we got $1.75. So 25.50, 75 $1, 25.50, 75. Very cool. Jake, careful. You okay, Coco? All right, number 2 got 50 cents. This one's from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can do, I guess I should get my blue out. All right, so 25 and 50. Look at number 3 coming in. All right, so number 3 got $1.50. This one is from the Millennial Saver. Kinda bougie, kinda broke. All right, $1.50 here. This will save us $4. Number 4 got 75 cents. I believe this is from Bella at Saving Made Simple. I think I remembered it. I did tag her in yesterday's video. So hopefully it's her. 25, 50, and 75. If not, she's fantastic and you should get to know her. And I will still find out who did that. Okay, number 5. Number 5 got 75 cents. This one is from Hannah at Prop Budgets. Let's get our blue. So we can do 25, 50, 75. The little bats like bite me. $1.25 for number 6, which is, oh, we only needed $1. This is from Norella's Budgets. So we just needed 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we finished one for $6. Yay! We have 25 cents to go into a new one. Let's see, should we go back to whatever this? Oh my gosh. All right, I'm going to do this one from Maribel at Minto. This will save us $3, so we can put 25 cents. Yay. All right, number 7. Number 7 got 75 cents. This one is from Steps on a Budget. Ugh, as if. All the squeakiness and dogs drinking water. All right, that one will save us $4. And then number 8. Number 8 with 75 cents. This one is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets. So we can do 25, 50, and then 75. This one will save us $5. Self-reflection means self-growth. Ooh, that's good. So yay, we finished one. That's exciting. All right, so we're going to go to the bank and pull out $6. All right, so we have our $6. Let's put our prop coins back. I'm going to put my $6 in our completed, and then we have 1 we get to add to our completed challenges. Day 29 was a success. All right, everybody. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I got to finish one. We have 2 more days, and then we'll get to see how much I saved, where it's going, and how many challenges I completed. So I hope you join me for the next couple days. Have a great rest of your day, and until next time, take care. Bye.